You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 61,202,955,765. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 7 plus 9 equals 16. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 3 equals 7. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Carry 1 to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 6 plus 8 equals 15. Carry 1 to the 100,000s place. 1 plus 5 plus 3 equals 9. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Carry 1 to the 10 millions place. 1 plus 5 plus 4 equals 10. Carry 1 to the 100 millions place. 1 plus 5 plus 6 equals 12. Carry 1 to the billions place. 1 plus 5 plus 5 equals 11. Carry 1 to the 10 billions place. 1 plus 5 equals 6. And so the final result is 61,202,955,765.